method for factoring a trinomial is using what's called the box method. So this is what the box would look like, and it's labeled first, last, and then this piece sticking out is our middle. First means we're sticking the first term in here, so that's going to be my n squared. I'm going to put my last term, including the sign in front of it, in this square, so negative 70. And then my middle term is what was my middle term from that polynomial, which is a positive 3n. Now, everything inside this 3 by 3 squared is going to multiply across and up and down. Okay, so n squared times negative 70 gives me negative 70n squared. Now here I need to find two numbers that multiply to give me negative 70. And then because this 3n is sticking out, they're going to add to give me this term sticking out on the bottom. So what we need to do is look at our factors of negative 70. And remember, because it's a negative, we're going to have one term as positive and one as negative. So first let's look at our factors of 70. We have 1 times 70. If I made either of those the negative, I'd have either 70 minus 1, and that would be 69, or 1 minus 70, which is negative 69. So that's not going to work. Let's look at 2 and 35. Again, I would make one of these negative. So negative 2 plus 35 is 33. Or 2 minus 35 is negative 33, which is not giving me that 3. Okay, let's keep going. So after that, I'm going to have 5 and 14. That one's not going to work. And then 7 times 10. If I had a positive 10 minus 7, that would give me, multiplied together, is negative 70. And negative 7 plus 10 gives me a positive 3, which is exactly what I'm looking here for. So I'm going to say negative 7n and positive 10n. Negative 7 times positive 10 gives me negative 70n squared. Negative 7n plus 10n is going to give me 3n. Okay, now I need to fill in the rest of these. So up and down, these are going to multiply to give me this top row. And then side to side, these are going to multiply to give me this far row. So for n squared, my only two options of numbers that multiply to give me n squared are n and n. Now, I need n times something to give me negative 7n. That'll be negative 7. N times something to give me 10n, and that'll be 10. Now check that up and down this multiplies. 10 times negative 7 does equal negative 70. Okay, now circle your diagonals, and this is your factored polynomial. I'm going to put them together. N plus 10 and n minus 7.